Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, for this problem, to get the radius of convergence, we take the limit as n goes to infinity. We do absolute value of an over an plus 1. These guys here are an terms. So we're going to get limit as n goes to infinity of absolute value of cube root of n plus 1 over cube root of n. So this is limit as n goes to infinity of the absolute value of cube root of n plus 1 over n. Limit as n goes to infinity of n plus 1 over n is 1. So this is cube root of 1, so this is just 1. So for the interval of convergence, we need to figure out whether or not we include 1 and whether or not we include minus 1. So figure out what happens when x is equal to minus 1 and figure out what happens when x is equal to positive 1 in here. So if x is minus 1, we have minus 1 to the n times a minus 1 to the n, so that just gives us 1 up top. So then we would just have 1 over cube root of n. So this is like n to the 1/3 power. 1/3 is less than 1. Therefore, this diverges. Okay, so we're not going to include minus 1 here. When x is equal to 1, we get the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of minus 1 to the n over cube root of n. And this is going to converge by the alternating sign test. So we will include 1. We're not going to include minus 1. So our interval of convergence is going to look like minus 1, comma 1, and 1 we include, minus 1 we don't include.